I'm going to say something controversial today. I honestly believe men should spend more in relationships.
Why though? Why should the man automatically become the financial provider?
It's not about being a provider, it's about showing commitment.
So you're telling me a man can watch his woman struggle financially and still say, let's do 50-50. That sounds crazy to me.
And you think a man should carry everything just because he's a man? In this economy, that's exactly why relationships are failing.
No, relationships are failing because some men want luxury treatment while behaving like roommates.
See, this is the problem right here. Women want traditional men but don't want traditional responsibility.
That's not true.
It is.
This video you just watched was created with 2 apps that I'm going to be telling you today. You can also do something like this if you don't want to showcase your face. You don't want to showcase your face and you're the kind of person that loves to talk controversial topics or whatever topics you want to do. You want to do your podcast but you don't want to show your face. You can do something like this and you can actually be making money from it. So I'm going to be telling you the 2 apps that you need and you have gotten something like this. But what I would just tell you, you need to be very creative and you need to be, again, very, very creative. That is where you can get something like this or even better. Just watch this video to the end. So I remain Vibe with Deborah. If up to now you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button so you get notification when my video pops up. With that much being said, let's go to my YouTube studio. Let me show you the magic about how I created this video. Ungwanu, let's go. So I've already made my giving ChatGPT what I want. So I want you to generate a podcast of a man and a woman. Like that, you can read through the prompt. So, and what I set for ChatGPT to give me, and he has given me this is the prompt he has given to me. So I'm going to copy it. Now. Sometimes I can ask ChatGPT to create it, but what I do most time, I use ChatGPT to create the image. I use my Grok to create the image. I also use Gemini AI to create. So whichever one work for me, I'll pick it up. Do you understand? So I'll just tell ChatGPT to just generate the image. So I will be able to pick which one is better for me. So let's go to this stuff too. So now I want to go to Grok. Okay, I've gone to Gemini already because I was doing it. I've got to Gemini already. So this is what Gemini brought for me, this, which I don't really like, but for the purpose of it, just this is it. He has brought this, but let me see what Grok is going to bring for us too. So we'll go to Grok, we type the you go to imagine, or you can go to ask, but I want to go to imagine for it to do it. Then you click here where you see this, you put this format, then that's all. Then you click here the arrow. So let's see what it's going to generate for us for this stuff. So either way we are going to choose it. Sorry that I'm taking you all over the place. Okay, now look at this is beautiful. That's why I love Grok. See, it's so beautiful and you can have different to pick from, but this one, I love this one so much, so I'm going to save it. So let's see what ChatGPT has created for us. ChatGPT 2 can create it. Look at what ChatGPT created for us. This is also very beautiful too. So either we can use that. So that is why you have to have different options to use so that you'll be able to pick the best, because you want to be top among others that are doing something like this. So this is it. So after that we have created it, we'll go back to ChatGPT. So go back to ChatGPT. So now I want to tell ChatGPT to give me a script for my prompt, to give me a so now I want to tell ChatGPT to give me a script for us to have our podcast. So I want it to generate a script for me for both the male and the female. So all they are just talking about is relationship, and I want it to be very controversial. Like, I feel that men need to spend more. I don't think about the 50-50, like a controversial topic that will spec up people to give their own comment and everything like that. That's what I want. So now I've told ChatGPT what I want, so it's going to give me this thing. So should men pay more in relationship? Is it 50-50? Is 50-50 a scam? And all that. So So like this is it. Wait, so you are telling me a man can watch his woman struggle financially and still say let's do 50-50? That sounds crazy to me. And you think a man should carry everything just because he's a man in this economy? That is exactly why relationship are failing. So this is the script he has given to us. So we are going to, when he gives you that script, we are going to now take it to Grok. As you take it to Grok, that is how you take it to Grok. We copy this here. We copy this here. So we take it to Grok. So we take it to Grok. So this is the image we picked, right? Is it this? Was it this one we picked? I can't remember again. Nevertheless, so this is what we picked. Editing our image so that it will suit the both parties. I mean the both parties. So now that we have gotten, we picked our image and we put it here. Then we put it to video. We put this, paste our script here. So the female host wearing white and the male host wearing red to differentiate. So if you don't remove all this and they'll be speaking this. So you're telling me a man, so you have to just cut it so that it won't be talking too much. It won't 50-50. Well, this I don't want to talk all this thing. So the main way to, we're going to do it carrying, because in this economy, that's why relationship is failing. In this economy, so after you have done this, you just put it. So now let's watch it together and see what we have created using so let's watch it. Let's see what we've created now.
Telling me a man can watch his woman struggle financially and wait, so you're telling me a man can watch his woman struggle financially and still say let's do 50-50? That sounds crazy to me.
And you think a man should carry everything just because he's a man? In this economy, that's exactly why relationships are failing.
Wait, so you're telling me a man can watch.
You see, you have created your podcast just using these two apps, ChatGPT and Grok. See, there's no free app anywhere again. So if you know that you just want to be giving us podcast or faceless podcast and every other thing, just go and get ChatGPT and get your Grok. They are super amazing, and you can just use only your Grok to get your image and still get your video, or you can use ChatGPT. But these are powerful tools that you can use to get a smooth podcast. So bye. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. See you. Bye bye. Now that you have seen how I've created this beautiful magic, I will tell you, like I said in my previous video, see, AI tools are expensive, but trust me, if you do this, if you invest in this, you'll start making money. Trust me, you'll start making money. So see you in my next video. Bye.